We are moving on to a new unit. I hope that you have your notes packet ready. There are 2 sheets. We're going to go through this quickly. I don't want you to get confused because we are going to be in the quadrilateral unit, but we're going to start the quadrilateral unit talking about polygons in general. So in case you didn't know what a polygon is, does anyone know what poly means? Poly means many. So the first thing on your sheet on what a polygon is, it's a shape with 3 or more sides. So we're going to take it up a notch, and instead of just studying triangles, we're going to study shapes that have more than 3 sides. So we're going to go to quadrilaterals, and we'll look into things like pentagons and hexagons, octagons, etc., but we're really going to focus on quads. So the other thing with polygons is that in order for it to be a polygon is that you can have no curves. So it has to be all straight sides. And the other thing is that the sides cannot intersect. So you'll see below this description of what a polygon is, there's 4 pictures. And so of those 4 pictures, let's determine which are polygons and which are not polygons. So the first picture on the left that looks kind of like a stop sign, that is a polygon. So that is yes, because there are no curves. It doesn't intersect at all, so this works. How about the heart? This one would not be a polygon because you have the curves in the shape of the heart. The third one, if you notice, kind of looks like an hourglass, and since that intersects right there, that shape itself is not a polygon. But it is made of 2 different polygons put together, 2 triangles, but itself is not a polygon. How about the shape on the right that looks like a star? This is a polygon. There is no curves, and again, it doesn't intersect at all, so it is a polygon. So we're going to be working on these different types of shapes right here, specifically, these 2. And it could be different sides. So the next thing we're going to talk about is whether they're concave or convex. So if we follow along in the reading, it says polygons can be described as having a convex or a concave look to them. For a polygon to be convex, there should be no points or vertices in the interior of the polygon. So that's kind of like, it can't be like the hourglass that we looked at before. You can also use the convex test that states if you extend any side in your polygon, it should not intersect with any other side in that polygon. An easy way to tell if your polygon is concave is when one of the sides is caved or like punched in towards the middle. So if we look at the shapes that you're given this kind of hospital type looking shape that looks like this. So one of them looks like kind of a cross. So this is considered concave because right here you can see that these are caved in towards the middle. So the points are pointed in towards the middle, so this shape would be concave.